There we go. Alright, let's go this way. Towards mommy.
Come here.
Towards mommy.
Come here, Aaron. You can do it. Come on, come to mommy. Yeah, come on. Come here. Come on.
He stretches his legs further and further. You know, trying to get my hand.
Strong.
Look how hard he's trying. Oh my god. Dragging his face, you know.
Lift your head up, little guy. We know you can.
Alright, I think Mom will need to pick him up and give him hugs and kisses.
Here, I'm going to hand this to you. It's still recording, though. Come here. Oh. You did it. Oh. Yeah. Oh, he's sweaty. He's so exhausted.
That's good.
Good job.
Good. Good job, Aaron.